Hey guys, it's Keith here with Tyler, and we're in the Shanghai Disneyland Park. We're gonna be riding the canoes. So it's called Explore Canoes over here, and it basically tours all around Treasure Cove and Adventure Isle. So, not the most exciting attraction to record, but it gives you quite the scenery. And you guys know that the canoes are one of my favorite attractions in Disneyland, which is currently down. So I'm very excited to be here and get to ride these canoes. Weirdo. Yay! Let's go! I don't know what's going on.
They said to keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the canoe at all times. And please watch your children, or the gators will.
Okay. So we're on Jungle Cruise now?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, just do what everyone else is doing. And then
smile and nod.
Smile and wave, boys. Smile and wave. Okay. They're not really doing it in sync.
I'm just doing it in sync with you.
I was doing it in sync with a couple of people over there. Let's give a view of this treasure ship, the sunken ship,
Treasure ship.
the unsunken ship. And then the unsunken ship that was not sunken. Ooh, there's a cannon over there. There are 3 cannons. Ooh, you can wet people over there.
I wonder how many oars are at the bottom of this river.
They float.
I wonder how many oars are at the bottom of this river.
They float.
I wonder how many oars are at the bottom of this river. And the answer is 0.
I asked that question in Disneyland, and the cast member said that they just end up floating, and then the next canoe picks them up.
And what?
The next canoe with a cast member will pick them up.
Oh.
As if there are canoes without a cast member in them in Disneyland. The next canoe with a guest just ignores them. This is not on a track.
This is totally on a track.
You're on a track.
There's no way that this boat is steering this well.
There's somebody in the back. That's how they steer the... If you did the cast member canoe race, you would have known that. It is not the paddlers in the middle that steer the boat. It's the front and the back. See, look, we're at a sideways angle. We're not on a track.
Of course we are.
No, we're not. I see my side is actually semi-working.
My side is not. I'm the only one with my side working.
This little girl in front of me is the hardest worker on this boat. Look at her. She's paddling backwards so that we work extra hard. Look, a blue frog.
Is that the name of a restaurant in Disneytown?
Yep. There are 2 people on my side that are rowing. Oh, nope. The little girl is going to stop us from rowing again. Okay, 3 people are now rowing. 4 people. Everybody's rowing, kind of. Aren't you having a lot of fun right now?
No.
This is why I love the canoes. It's so relaxing. There's the castle.
Oh, we're coming up to the end.
This little girl is still trying to stop us from going.
Hooray! That was so worth the 30-minute wait.
It wasn't a 30-minute wait. Alright guys, that is the canoe rides here in the Shanghai Disneyland Park. What did you think?
I have spaghetti arms.
Let me know in the comments down below if you enjoy the canoes just as much as I do. Let me know in the poll up above if you prefer the view from over here in the Shanghai Park from what you just saw, or if you like what you see in the Disneyland Park. Well, what you used to see, but it's still gonna be kind of the same when they finish the renovation, I think. Anyway, comment down below, poll, like, subscribe, follow us, everything. I'll see you guys on the next Shanghai Disney Park video. Bye!